I have watched over 250 YouTube videos on programming, and the truth is 99% of what are complete waste of time. But these 8 channels are worth more than a 4 years degree. So let us start with website number 1. The programming knowledge. The tutorial here range from Android tutorials for beginners to Java, Python and C++ tutorials. Among the resource is the C programming tutorials that is considered the most comprehensive course in that language that you will find anywhere. Next is Coder Founder. This YouTube channel can help you with program ideas to land your first software engineering rules and learning how to program and job search, interview questions and answer techniques. Next website is The New Boston. The channel packed with tutorials of lesson videos on HTML5, JavaScript, C++, Python and PHP and more. Whether you are looking to learn programming, web design or software development, this channel is good place to start. Next website is Academind. Whether you are looking for a programming language, Node.js runtime, JavaScript or any other technical language, Academind caters to everyone's needs. Next website is Keep On Coding. Keep On Coding has a content around Java tutorials, lead code, coding interviews and life as a software engineers. Next website is a Pragmatic Engineer. This content around software engineering in big tech like Google, Facebook, Amazon and Microsoft and startups, big tech hiring and hiring process, and software engineer career path and engineering management. Next website is Back to Back SWE. They share content around data structure and algorithm, coding interview solution and landing a job at a big tech company. Next website is Byte by Byte, and this channel help you with coding interview preparations, system design interview preparation and strategic job search.